for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, we have the Box by Fashionsta for March 2021. I will link my Fashionsta playlist to watch previous unboxings. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. The Box by Fashionsta is $25 a month. You get about 6 to 8 full-size items, and each box retails for over $100. March's theme is Marchology, reveal your inner warrior. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. The first product is by Ditto Cosmetics. This is the Athena palette that retails for $29. I am obsessed with this packaging. Who doesn't love Greek mythology? And this is the inside of the palette. I am living for this palette. I'm already drawn to these two rows right here. I love green eyeshadow, and I think that these shades down here complement it so nice. I look at this palette and I automatically think fall. I'm so excited to give this a swatch and see. Ditto is a brand I have not tried yet, and they've been on my radar for a while now. This is the top row. Already loving this top row. Second row. Third row. Bottom row. All right, glitter. And this is the entire palette swatched. The glitter looked and felt refined, so I'm not sure why it just had issues swiping onto my arm. There's nothing on my arm, it's just my bare arm, no concealer or primer to act as a base. But other than that, the mattes and the shimmers both felt really soft. Everything swatched really nice. There's pigment all the way through. This shade right here is my absolute favorite. It's just so stunning. I wonder if it will have more of a shift to it applied on the eyes. And of course that these are just swatches, we'll definitely have a better idea when it's blended out on primed eyes using a brush. This has me so excited to finally try Ditto's formula. They have a handful of palettes that I've been eyeing, so you get like the best of both worlds, having some more neutral shades and some pops of color. I think I would just get rid of the glitter, but other than that, I'm super excited to give it a shot. Next by Sierra Rose, this is the Hydra C Serum Brightening and Plumping, and it retails for $54. And this is what the component looks like. I'm not that familiar with this brand, but I'm very intrigued at the price point. I can be super picky when it comes to serums. Brightening is definitely something I like in mine. I'm gonna put a little drop right here. This is 1 drop dispensed. Hand soaked it right in. Feels really nice. I feel like we are seeing a lot of serums in the dropper bottle format lately in our subscription boxes. This is like the 3rd one I've gotten. It feels good on the hand. It's definitely gonna be one where I have to implement into my routine, using it with my other products to see if I am noticing a difference. But now that I've opened it and it's being exposed to like these really bright lights right now, I have to go put it in my skincare fridge because vitamin C tends to degrade very rapidly when it's not stored in either cool or dark conditions. That's why I try to store as many vitamin C products as I can in my skincare fridges, because cooler conditions can help extend the life of some of those degrading ingredients. So when vitamin C does degrade or oxidize in your products, you're not going to get those brightening benefits anymore. I definitely try to use vitamin C products sooner rather than later. Next by Medusa's Makeup, we have the Witch Lash Mascara. I've only used a couple of Medusa's makeup products. I'm a huge fan of their face products, particularly their blushes. So pretty, so good. I need every shade that they have. And this is what the wand looks like. It says thickening mascara, so I automatically think of volumizing, lengthening, and since I have pitiful lashes, we'll definitely be able to tell the difference between of having no mascara versus mascara and how well it lengthens and volumizes. Next by Lip Love, we have a liquid gloss that retails for $12. This is the shade Brown Sugar. And this is Brown Sugar Swatched. It's like the color of caramel. Do you say caramel or caramel? Let me know in the comments below. I don't know how this is gonna work out for me because it looks like it's gonna just be orange, but it's so pretty and sparkly. Maybe to put over a lipstick or a lip liner, but by itself, I'd be a little afraid. I haven't heard of this brand. I'm very intrigued to see what other colors that they may have. Kind of reminds me, what's the desserts? Is it tiramisu? No, creme brulee. When they take like that torch and they spray it on top of it, this is like the exact color that you get. Next by M Greengrass, this is the dry oil spray that retails for $36. It's funny because in one of my videos I was talking about how I hate lotion and a lot of you guys recommended to use like an oil spray. The time has come to finally try one. Let's see. Ooh, it smells really nice. Got like a little bit of lemon going on. I'm gonna rub that in. Okay, because the thing about lotion is that you just feel so slimy afterwards, and then you put your clothes on and it just feels so sticky and you're like, I need another shower. Okay, like this absorbed in right away, and like I don't feel that slimy residue. I just feel hydration. And that was like with one spray, and my whole arm feels so much better than this arm. Like this one still feels rough, no hydration to it. Inspired by Spain, so it's gonna be bougie if it's European, am I right? I see why you guys recommended this. My life is slowly changing right now. Oh, it's clementine. Sweet clementine. Bum, bum, bum. I was on the citrus train. Lemon is close. Definitely will keep you guys posted on how well this works out. And then lastly, by Lash Splash, this is the Arctic Tech Lip Sculptor that retails for $10. Please work with our gloss that we got. Maybe not. This is the lip liner swatched. Okay, but this is a really pretty shade that I tend to use a lot, like year round, not just like the fall or winter time. And this felt really nice. It just glided on my hand. I tend to get a little worried about like these more traditional pencils than retractables because they tend to be a little bit rougher. I'm not really sure what this smudger is for. I think it's kind of cool. Unless if you cover like your whole lip, make it like a lipstick, because this is what it looks like blended out. You know, that's pretty nifty. I don't recall seeing like any lip liners that have that, so this could be very innovative. I like that. I know that they include this spongy thing on some eyeliners to smudge it out, but lip liners, yeah, I could totally use that. I am blown away by that right now. Overall, I thought this month's Fashionsta box was pretty solid. I'm so excited to give this palette a shot. As I mentioned, Ditto has been on my radar for so long. I love green eyeshadow, so it just makes me even more excited. I'm loving this Greek mythology theme. I hope that they have some other Greek palettes like this on their line because I want every single one. I'm still blown away how my arm feels after using that dry oil. I'm just obsessed with how soft it feels right now, and there's just a huge difference of having the oil versus not. The lip pencil shade we received is so pretty. I'm loving that smudger application. I can't wait to try that on the lips. I also can't wait to implement the serum in my skincare routine. I can be so picky with serums because I never think that they're doing enough for me, so I hope to see a difference in my face using that serum. Definitely will be putting this to the test on lengthening and volumizing, and hopefully we can find a lipstick or a lip pencil to pair this guy with. I would love to know, do you guys get the Box by Fashionsta? Did you guys get the same exact products as me, or was there a slight variation? Did you guys get the same color lip gloss and lip pencil? Let me know in the comments below. How did everything work out for you? What was your favorite and least favorite products? And are you guys looking forward to April's box? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways. I'll see you in the next video.